Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. Brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon. 631-756-1125, the telephone number. Everything you need this spring for spring cleanups, making your yard or your business. If you have an outside to landscape, well, they're the place to go. So if you're a landscaper or you're do-it-yourselfer, head over to Omni. The website is omnitruevalue.com. Well, we've got a little bit more wet weather to go. We are looking at a lot of clouds around this morning. We've had a surge of rain that moved through during the overnight. And if you look down to the south, there's more clouds and some showers building up in parts of the Carolinas and into Virginia and also along the coast. You'll also notice, by the way, that the back edge of the cloud cover is not moving eastward at the moment. So we kind of have to wait. There's an upper trough that's spinning away in the western Great Lakes that's dictating all of this. So we'll just have to wait for this to slide a little bit further to the east to get into some improvement. That's going to come on Friday. In the meantime, we have one more surge of rain to get through. And you'll notice here on the radar, as we take a look, there's the overnight rain that has now moved on to the northeast. There's a bit of a gap. As of 8:30 this morning, we've got a little band of showers there in eastern Pennsylvania and heading up toward the northeast. But it's this area down to the south in Virginia and North Carolina that we'll be watching later today into this evening. That's going to be moving northward. Once that goes by, that is the last wave of low pressure. That should be enough to kick things through and get us into a better place for Friday and for the weekend. But just want to caution everybody that it's not going to be picture perfect. With the upper trough back over to the Great Lakes, we're seeing a little bit of precipitation there. To the north, it's snow. To the south, it's some rain showers. And we also have precipitation going on in Florida and along the Georgia coast in the form of some showers and even a couple of rumbles of thunder. And as we take a look at the Storm Prediction Center, this is the forecast here with respect to the risk area today. Marginal risk from Virginia on southward to a little neck that goes along the Georgia coast into northeastern Florida, and also a small area of slight risk in southwestern Virginia and western North Carolina, small area of marginal risk in southwest PA down into parts of West Virginia. We're kind of sitting in an area of general thunderstorm, so it's not impossible as this second wave moves up the coast that there might be a rumble or two of thunder as that goes by. So we're going to be keeping our eyes on that. So here's how it's going to play out as we move through the rest of today. We're going to see this second wave push through some rain. You see it there this evening, late this afternoon, and this evening moving to the north. Then, as we head into Friday, it improves, but we still have low pressure in eastern Canada surfacing aloft that's going to be spinning around with a couple of upper air disturbances. I don't think we're going to see too much on Friday. Clouds mixing with some sunshine. And then on Saturday, as the upper trough swings by, we'll probably start with a little bit of sun, but quickly cloud up, and there'll be some rain showers. And you'll notice to the west in Pennsylvania and western Pennsylvania and on up into parts of upstate New York, some snow showers in the mix. It's not an all-day type of rain here for the coast. It's just going to be some scattered showers around. And then Sunday, it will be breezy, if not at times windy, with some gusts to 30 to 35 miles an hour. We'll have sunshine mixed with clouds. This is cold air that's coming down out of Canada. And then to start off next week, we're going to be in the same place, a chilly pattern that's going to keep much of the northeast and northern mid-Atlantic states below average. On the other hand, it's going to be closer to normal or maybe even a shade above normal as you head down to the southeast and Florida and points west. And it looks like the block is going to hold for a little while. You can see here on Tuesday, got this narrow northwest-southeast band of snow that develops ahead of a warm front. And that gets pinned to our south because if you look up on the upper right, low pressure is still there in eastern Canada between Nova Scotia and Newfoundland, so that's helping to protect us here and keep us dry. But eventually, another strong storm You see it coming in here to California uh, early next week. It's going to translate eastward, and you're going to have a deep low in New Mexico and northern Texas. And I think this is going to set up for another round of widespread severe weather potential here later next week, maybe beginning Tuesday night into early Wednesday, and then again for Wednesday night into Thursday across pretty much the same areas that saw it this last time around, which would be East Texas through the central Gulf states, and then gradually pushing further east as we move through the end of the week. That low is going to take a while to move on up. So I think that bodes well for keeping things relatively dry for part of next week, and then weather conditions might deteriorate toward the end of the week. It's going to be a very, very slow go here, but if you're in a good spot, you can stay rain-free at least for a while. Weather in 5 brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware, 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, New York. 631-756-1125 is the telephone number, and the website is omnitruevalue.com. Just want to go back real quick to the Storm Prediction Center for the next couple of days. There's no thunderstorm activity being indicated for both the period of tomorrow into Saturday, and for Saturday into Sunday. No thunderstorms are forecast, so we're going to get a little bit of a respite here as far as the severe weather is concerned. The Joe and Joe Weather Show tonight at 7:30 Eastern Time on my YouTube channel, Joe Cioffi. We hope to see you then. Have a great day.